In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change footer in Mailchimp. So start by logging into your account. Then next in the left panel, click on campaigns and open up the email you would like to edit. So from here, click on edit design to start customizing. Then next from your email builder page, scroll all the way to the bottom of your email template, and the footer is usually labeled footer or email footer. If you click on it, just click on the footer block to edit text, links, or social icons. And here you can update your company info, contact details, unsubscribe link, and social media buttons. In the left panel, you can use these tools to style your footer. So here you can change the layout of your footer, adjust content and colors, and also the padding sizes. Just make sure that you keep it clear and professional, and remember it's required by law to have an unsubscribe link. Once done, click on Save and Exit to save your template design. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!